Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to copy a meeting link in Microsoft Teams so it can be easily shared with others. Whether we are inviting teammates or external participants, having the link ready makes joining quick and simple. On the Microsoft Teams dashboard, to copy a link, all we need to do is click the menu on the left side of the dashboard. Then we open the calendar to see all our meetings. To get a link, here we have a sample meeting. We just need to click on it and the link will appear. We then click on it to copy it. As we can see, the link is now copied. If we paste it, this will be our meeting link. From here, we can open it in the browser or join directly using Microsoft Teams. And that is how we can easily copy a meeting link in Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. We can now share access to our meetings quickly and without any hassle.